It is kind of early. Everybody else in the house is asleep. You see all my craft stuff and Pampers and toys and all kinds of stuff sitting on my little desk behind the couch. And my Christmas tree lights are on. All right, so I'm just going to, I don't know, binge watch Mr. Nightmare or Mr. Ballin or something like that, and do some work in Cricut Design Space for the 5 under 5, and then some other things I need to get done using my Cricut. So that's what I'm up to this morning, and drinking coffee. And my computer died. I'm going to charge my computer before I get anything done, I guess. So I guess I'm just going to sit here and watch TV. Well, I decided not to just sit there and watch TV since I didn't get this stuff done yesterday because of the headache, which, by the way, I have another one today. I'm not sure what that's about, but I don't like it. Anyway, since I didn't get it done yesterday, I decided I needed to go ahead and do it today. So gathering up all my fall stuff. And I'm throwing out my pumpkins. I do keep the top because I can use them again next year. There was so much dirt on that thing. I guess I needed to clean more throughout the fall. That was kind of funny. So, yay me, I actually accomplished something today. I'll probably switch out that sign at some point, and I guess I need to make some things to go out here. I just really don't have any outdoor Christmas decor. I don't think it's supposed to look like this. It's not even moving. It's so thick. What are the dark spots? Is it because it's unbleached flour? I get something else in it? I don't know what's going on. Well, I guess I'll add to it this morning, and then check it again this evening. I think I may already be failing again. Okay, so I now have the saddest little Christmas tree outdoor decoration. That copper pot came from Family Dollar. It was on clearance. It was only $2.50. These are 2 of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees that I put together. And then I have some Better Homes and Gardens from Walmart. Little fairy lights wrapped around, and obviously I've got to fill in this. I don't know, something else needs to be done to this because that just looks kind of sad, but it's a start because, like I said, I don't have anything for outdoors, so that's what I got right now. We had to get a little bit creative with our topping because we used croissant, Pillsbury croissant, and this is what happened. But it's fine. It's gonna taste good. That's what matters, right? Right. Okay. We put this seasoning on top. The recipe is in my Pinterest under Delicious. It is not in any of the, the categories it's not organized, basically. It's one of the first few. As you're scrolling down, it's not. Anyway, so find me on Pinterest. I guess I can link that in my link tree as well. And you can find the recipe, although we did alter it a bit.